This is my toy room. I keep the toy boxes in there.
We have a laser temperature gauge. We have meters to figure out amperages. We have tachometers. We're looking at $25,000 worth of equipment. I am a certified energy manager, so Missouri Enterprises sent me to school. I've learned how to accurately measure the different areas of electrical usage and natural gas usage, utility usage, and I can give you energy opportunities that you can save on electricity, or areas of improvement that you could fix. Sometimes manufacturing areas aren't lit well enough, or maybe sometimes they're overlit. You have too much light in an area that doesn't need it. We can see if you have a closed wall, we can still go through and say, okay, you have an R10 or you have an R12 or an R2 on this wall, so this wall is primed for getting repaired, getting new insulation put into it, and find where we have air leaks or hot spots in a circuit. So we'll go through a facility and mark all of the air leaks that they have in their system. This really can be a money saver because on average, an 1/8-inch diameter hole in an air compressor system costs $1,000 a year. This system is one to check the flue gases of a furnace or a boiler system. We can see if the boiler needs a tune-up. We can see if you're wasting money, if you're getting natural gas or propane and you're burning and it's just going up the flue, running too rich.
This is probably one because it has electronics in there that are running constantly. You might ask the vending company to update their bill validator. These pennies add up over the course of time and you can really save a lot of money.